Oh, good morning. It is February 17th. Happy Lunar New Year to everyone who celebrates. It is the year of the horse. So it's going to be a pretty interesting year to say the least. It is a bit cold today, I gotta say. But it's going to be a busy day. I'm going to be packing some customer orders, going to the post office, and then I was thinking of reorganizing the stockroom. However, because it's Lunar New Year, you're not supposed to be doing any sort of cleaning or not too much cleaning, as they do say it does sweep away the good luck. So maybe I'll have to rethink that. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow instead. However, we do have some gunpla to assemble, so I might be doing that instead. You may have seen my previous video where I was talking about the real grade Wing Zero. Well, it's almost finished. I just need to put some top coat on it and that'll be done basically. So yeah, pretty busy day. Let's get cracking.
Several days later.
So it's been a few days since I finished the real grade Wing Zero, and I was supposed to film it, but I kind of ran out of time and some things got in the way and I just didn't really have a chance to film it. However, it is finished, it is assembled. Now, earlier in the video, I spoke about cleaning this stockroom a little bit. I want to condense a few boxes down, and also I have some new stock coming at the end of the week. So I thought it would be cool to just kind of make some more room in here and reorganize some things. So yeah, let's get to work. I think I'm pretty much done in here. I've managed to condense some of the boxes down. There seems to be a little bit more room on the shelves now. So yeah, pretty productive day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.